Friends, welcome to the channel. Enrique.
It's actually not friends anymore. It's just family. We got two people.
Yeah. It's just, you guys, what's up, man? We kind of stopped doing long forms because we went over to Instagram, got blinded by the light, the fame. Got tons of followers over there, but you know what? We want to get back to the long form. Sometimes we have to, there's a lot of stuff we want to explain to you guys, you know? Whether it takes off or not, whatever.
This is how we started.
Yeah.
This is what we want to get back to, and there's certain things you just can't do within 30 seconds, such as pressure washers.
Today we're talking about pressure washers, guys. Pressure washers from Norway. Eric found them. When I first started hearing about it from Eric, he was like just talking them up, and I'm like, dude, come on, pressure washers. There's all kinds of pressure washers out there, guys. Electric, high-powered gas, high-powered electric now, and battery, right?
Yeah, but you said you don't like battery because of the runtime?
Yeah, I don't like battery because of the runtime. It's just garbage. And I think a lot of these, those battery ones are just, I mean, you know, yeah, you could draw water with them, but maybe on your boat, but you're only getting like, you know, 5 to 10 minutes at full PSI, which is kind of...
Yeah, you can't really do much with that.
Yeah, and if you're going to only get that with that high PSI, make it more compact. Then I'd probably be more into it, you know?
Well, like you said, it's probably good for the boat or whatever. Draw water out of there, and at least you can wash off, I don't know, something on the boat.
Yeah, exactly. But today, guys, we're talking about this company. It's called AVA from Norway. This is the Easy Plus. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, if you're out washing commercially, not for you. This is a consumer product, right? Tell us about it, Eric, please.
Well, if you're not washing, what'd you say?
If you're not what?
What'd you say? If you're not commercial, this is for you. No, I'm just...
Yeah, no, it's a great homeowner entry-level pressure washing system with a 10-year warranty.
Eric, which is crazy. I mean, I don't know how many have a 10-year warranty, and if you do have to replace something, they're very good about it, supposedly, and it's easy to replace. Just looking at the directions, it's very easy to replace. Well, because everybody says, oh, it's easy to replace. You know what I mean?
Right.
We haven't actually filed any warranty information or anything like that. But this is pretty good. What do you think this runs? How much?
Honestly, I would say 300.
Pretty close. Yeah, it was like 340.
Oh, really? Okay.
So not bad for a pressure washer, but you got the foam, you got a lot of different accessories with it. But the one thing I actually really like, besides having a long power cord, is the hose cord on it. Most of the ones you get are very, I wouldn't say brittle, but they're very tough. They don't roll up, they're not nice. This one's a lot more flexible. That's a huge plus for me.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Guys, I got to use it. Now, again, I'm thinking outside the box. I do have a gas-powered, Honda-motored, crazy high PSI pressure washer, but it's not for everybody and everything, right? You can cause damage. This one is just, what, 2,000 PSI, right, Eric?
A little bit over, yeah.
A little bit over 2,000 PSI. Well, what's that, 2,100?
I don't know. Let's see what the back.
Eric's going to fight out the PSI, so we're exempt.
2,050.
2,050, okay. But it comes with just these unique features, right?
Well, those
like
are accessories. Those are added on. Those are extra.
Oh, they weren't in the box?
No, they were not. So that one and this one.
Oh, okay.
These are all accessories.
So these are some of the cool accessories that they have right here. That's how you change your spray pattern, right?
Which is really cool. You
Yeah.
don't have to sit and switch these top ones out. You know?
Yeah, pretty cool. 15, 25, 40, two different kinds of 40s. Horizontal and a vertical, and then a 60. So it kind of has a picture of a house, an automobile, a bike on here. So it shows you, you know, easy. It's just easy to use. It's for someone, you know, grandma, grandpa, you know, just the homeowner. Yeah.
And you know what is nice about these compared to gas is the noise level too.
Yeah, it is quiet, Eric.
And it does come with this, which you can wash. Can you really do siding, or is it more for sidewalks?
Sidewalk. Flooring cleaner. That's a great flooring cleaner, guys. You got mold on your back patio. Give that thing a shot. Just go slow with it. We did it on the sidewalk here. I'll show you before and after. It actually cleaned it up well.
Yeah. And another huge thing that I've not seen with other ones is the quick connects. It comes with the quick connects. Even comes with one for your hose, and then everything on it is a quick connect for this. So
yeah, the cool thing about it, guys, is it's just perfect for the all-around homeowner. Washing cars, you have your phone cam. Washing the patio, you have your floor cleaner. You know, not doing damage to siding, you have your, you know, obviously this is the accessory. Up here you have your spray patterns, guys. So, you know, obviously there's no red up here if you can see that, because red is the #1 damaged spray head. Because, I mean, it just puts it in like 0 degrees. So all that 2,500 or 2,000 PSI is going straight into one little area. Very damaging.
Because this comes with it too.
No, that's a turbo nozzle. So yeah, that's your all around. So guys, for overall pressure washer for around the $300 range, it's pretty good. If you have less of a budget, you don't even need this much. They do have another one, which is the Go Plus P45, and that
compact.
1,800 PSI.
Yeah.
And what I did like about that one is they have this thing called the microfiber mop, and that kind of looked cool that you could put onto it and then wash your truck or whatever. Yeah.
But
So-
a 10-year warranty, I think, is really good.
Yeah. Pretty cool stuff, guys. If you guys have any experience with this brand, let us know below. Comment. We're going to try it out, test it. You'll see more on our Instagram channel. So check it out. Tools in action.